So, Saturn's back. The second cocktail we're gonna do is that's what we call Endless Summer. I just create this year last during COVID time. And a very nice Tito's vodka, which is my favorite. Tito's, 1.5 ounce Tito's. There we go. One ounce of lime juice. We have a blueberry homemade syrup. One ounce also. Just gonna do just shake it up a little bit, just smooth and slowly. We'll just make just single spoon. And club soda on the top. And our garnish is a very nice lavender flower, fresh from the garden. Same garnish. A very nice thirsty pigeon. And you having very good. This is your endless summer. Cheers and enjoy.